Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video we are going to see the most hit design, which is a Rangoli pattern in Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have both tissue border and a borderless collections. All are very awesome collections. So the last post which we posted is sold out. So we are back with a new set of collections. So to see all these collections, please do watch this video fully for all the color combinations. Also, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we upload fresh collections. Now let's see each sarees. So all these sarees are very beautiful color combinations. All are freshly stocked from our loom. This is the first saree, a beautiful green with pink combination. Both are dual shade. The rich pallu in gold jari. In that you have this Rangoli pattern. All over the saree you have a Rangoli pattern in both silver and gold jari woven alternatively. So one line is a silver jari and one line is a gold jari. With both sides you will get this tissue border. And you will get a contrast plain blouse in pink color. The saree is a dual shade. It gives very shine on the saree. And next is an yellow with wine combination. This is a borderless one. So we have both borderless and a tissue border. A same Rangoli pattern in gold and silver jari woven alternatively. And a rich pallu in gold jari. A full rich pallu in Rangoli pattern. So all these are double warp sarees, premium quality silk. Comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. And next is a beautiful light green with wine combination. This is also a borderless one. So we have only this Rangoli pattern with different color combinations in this video. So please do watch this video fully. All are double warp premium quality silk which comes with a SILKMARK certified. So if you want to book any of these collections, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can simply share the screenshot and book with us. So we have very limited stock, so please do book the saree soon. And next is an yellow with peach combination with a tissue border. So all these are very fast moving design, so please do book the saree soon. We have only very limited stock in each of these colors. Also we are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well, so you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it, book the saree. Please do WhatsApp us for booking and details. Also we do have video call facility. You can contact us for video call if you have any color confirmations. This is a blue with peach combination with both sides a tissue border. So our shop is located in Sirumuhai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. We are giving it for wholesale and also for shop owners. So please do contact the number which is given in the description box for more details. A beautiful violet with teal combination. A very beautiful color combination. As you can see, the puttas in gold and silver jari is visible in this color. So we are dispatching on the same day the payment is made. So you will get it in a maximum of 2 to 3 working days anywhere in India and 5 working days for international shipping. This is a very beautiful light blue with navy blue combination. A borderless one. A very different color combination, a very unique color combination. So watch this video fully. Also please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. A baby pink with teal combination. Please do watch this video fully for all the color combinations and book your favorite saree.